This cafe is looking beautiful today. Like lights, trees, red cups. These like full of Christmas vibes, you know?
Exactly. You know, Jatin, festivals are amazing. They don't just decorate places, also decorate our mood.
Damn man. That was
Let's ruin sorry, huh?
Yeah, sure. Oh my god. That's what I really want to understand. Why do people celebrate like Christmas as it is celebrated everywhere? Like, what exactly happened that made it so powerful and so popular?
Good question. Well, Christmas marks the birth of Jesus Christ, but more important than his death, his message of life is more important.
Message, like teaching.
Exactly.
Message, like teachings.
Yes, Jesus spoke about love, forgiveness, humility, and serving others at a time when society was divided, like rich versus poor, powerful versus powerless. You know, these thoughts were quite revolutionary.
All right. So basically, he said, be human first.
Exactly. The simple idea itself was a revolution.
Bro, you said revolution. But what kind of revolution came from Christmas?
A silent revolution. People started believing that every human has value, kindness is the strength, respecting other people, serving society, and many other revolutions came.
Okay, so that explains why hospitals, schools, charity systems grew around these ideas.
Exactly. You know, Christmas slowly influenced education, social service, charity, and it also taught people not just to take but also to give.
Bro, that's deep, yaar. So, Christmas is not just history, it's a mindset. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But yaar, like, why do people celebrate it with cakes, pastries, and parties and all such things?
You know what generally happens? Because human needs reminders. And people have become so busy, stressful, and a kind of selfish as well. So Christmas asks us to stop, pause, and ask us that am I spreading love or stress?
And so, yaar, if you have to define Christmas in one feeling, how would you do that?
Even in the dark times, light can be created. Deep message, huh?
Yeah, that's true. All right, just like these lights in the cafe, right? Outside, it's just too cold, and inside, it's warm enough.
Exactly. And there's one more thing. Christmas doesn't ask us to be perfect. It asks us to be gentle and kind.
All right, now I understand. Christmas, it's just not in calendar. It's truly in our behavior.
Exactly. And you know what? When we practice it daily, no? So Christmas lives inside us. And not just on 25th of December.
That's true, bhai. Now, from the side of Budding English Academy,
Merry Christmas
and keep spreading positivity.
and happiness.